Welcome back to Cyberflux, our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of robotics and automation. From manufacturing and healthcare to transportation and beyond, robots are revolutionizing industries and reshaping the way we live and work. Join us as we explore the latest advancements in robotics and their profound impact on various sectors. So, let's get started. Industrial robotics. Industrial robotics has been at the forefront of automation for decades. Let's take a closer look at the latest advancements in this field and how they're transforming manufacturing processes. Collaborative robots. Collaborative robots, also known as cobots, are designed to work alongside humans. They feature advanced sensors and safety systems that allow them to operate safely in close proximity to humans without the need for protective barriers. Cobots are increasing productivity and efficiency in manufacturing by assisting with repetitive tasks, assembly, and material handling. Artificial intelligence and machine learning. Integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms in industrial robots is enabling them to adapt, learn, and make intelligent decisions. AI-powered robots can analyze data, detect anomalies, optimize production processes, and even predict maintenance needs. This results in improved quality, reduced downtime, and enhanced overall efficiency in manufacturing. Service robotics. Service robots are revolutionizing various industries by performing tasks that traditionally required human intervention. Let's explore the advancements in service robotics and their impact on different sectors. Healthcare robotics. In healthcare, robots are being used for a range of tasks such as patient care, surgery, and logistics. Surgical robots enable precise and minimally invasive procedures, reducing risks and improving patient outcomes. Robots are also assisting with patient monitoring, medication delivery, and physical therapy, augmenting the capabilities of healthcare professionals and enhancing patient care. Retail and hospitality robotics. Robots are making their way into the retail and hospitality sectors, providing efficient and personalized customer service. Automated checkout systems, inventory management robots, and robotic assistants in hotels and restaurants streamline operations and enhance the customer experience. These robots can handle routine tasks, freeing up human employees to focus on more complex and value-added activities. Autonomous vehicles. Autonomous vehicles are a prime example of how robotics and automation are transforming transportation. Let's delve into the latest advancements in autonomous vehicles and their potential impact. Self-driving cars. Self-driving cars are poised to revolutionize the automotive industry. With advancements in sensors, AI algorithms, and connectivity, autonomous vehicles can navigate roads, detect obstacles, and make real-time decisions without human intervention. This technology has the potential to enhance road safety, reduce traffic congestion, and provide mobility solutions for the elderly and people with disabilities. Delivery drones and robots. Delivery drones and robots are changing the logistics landscape. These autonomous devices can efficiently deliver packages and goods, especially in areas with limited infrastructure or congested traffic. Delivery drones are being tested for quick and eco-friendly delivery of goods, while robots are navigating sidewalks and streets to bring items to customers' doorsteps. Impact and considerations. As robotics and automation continue to advance, It's important to consider their impact on society and address certain challenges. Workforce transformation. The integration of robots and automation will undoubtedly reshape the workforce. While some jobs may be automated, new roles will emerge that require human skills in robot programming, maintenance, and supervision. It's crucial for individuals and industries to adapt to these changes by acquiring new skills and embracing lifelong learning. Ethical and legal implications. As robots become more autonomous and capable, ethical and legal considerations come into play. Questions around liability, privacy, and the decision-making capabilities of robots need to be addressed. Establishing regulatory frameworks and ethical guidelines will ensure the responsible development and deployment of robotics technology. The advancements in robotics and automation are propelling industries into a new era of productivity, efficiency, and innovation. As we witness these technologies transforming manufacturing, healthcare, transportation, and various other sectors, it's clear that the future holds exciting possibilities. Stay tuned to our channel for more updates on the latest advancements in robotics and automation. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until next time, good luck and peace.